Well, good evening or good middle of the night. It's 10:30.
And welcome to Jen and Lindsay Live.
The late show.
Live.
The late show.
The late show with Jen and Lindsay.
Okay, so doTERRA just released a new program that I know a lot of you have questions about. So I wanted to do a fairly quick video.
Yes.
That's just going to explain the new program that you can do on your loyalty rewards program. So
tell me what you got going on.
Tell me what I've got going on.
I was one of the people that were confused.
That was confused. Well, I was confused too, and then I figured it out, and then I wasn't confused. So now I want to unconfuse you.
Okay, explain it to me.
Okay, so basically, this is a program that you can only do on loyalty rewards program, which is the acronym, no, the long words for LRP. Did I mention this is the late show? Okay, so you can only do this on LRP.
So this is not an enrollment kit.
Not an enrollment kit. Cannot do this as a single order. You sign up for a pathway. You've got 3 choices, and you can do all 3 at once. You could do 2 at once, or you could just pick one. So right now there's 3 health focuses. There's the relief kit. There is the mind and mood kit.
And the immunity.
And the immunity kit. So on your LRP, you can sign up to do the immunity kit. This one right here. This is like a subscription box where you just sign up for the subscription box and it just shows up at your door and it's already pre-packaged, pre-selected. You don't have to go in and pick what you want in there. What comes in this is what comes in this. This is going to be products that are designed to strengthen your immune system. And here's the cool thing. You're going to get a new set of immunity boosting products every month for 3 months.
Yes.
So this is month 1. And
all of these are month 1 for
these are all month 1, which is why they have the 1. So you can start doing this October 1st. You could just do immunity, you could just do mind and mood, or you could do relief, or you could do all 3. You can do as many as you want. And then, so you would get month 1 in October or November, whenever you decide to get started on this health journey, whatever kit. And then the subsequent month, so like, let's say you start this in October, in November, you would get month 2 of the relief kit. It's gonna have totally new products in it from month 1. So you're not getting repeats, you're getting totally new things. And in these sets, they're going to throw in some things that you're not gonna be able to purchase any other way.
Some really
so
great stuff.
For example, in the immunity kit, this one right here, they have On Guard floss. You can't buy On Guard floss. And I'm pretty sure were they gonna do a mini mouthwash one month?
Oh yeah, they were.
So
like a travel size.
So there will be smaller things that you can't buy any other way, and you could either refill it later to reuse it. But it's just got some fun stuff in it. So she's just showing you the immunity one, and you've got the floss. So month 2 is gonna have totally different products in it. Now, they only come in these cases the first month. Month 2 will be in a different bag. It's not gonna be this bag. But
you could recycle it.
You could recycle it. So again, you can pick your path. Or if you wanna be healthy and relaxed at the same time, you could start month 1 for both of these in October. Now,
so you would get these in October, and then in November,
2 new ones. And I heard something about like a Serenity Mist.
So something that we don't want you to miss out on is that inside each one of these kits, these packages, these subscription boxes, if you will, they are discounted prices in the health lane that you are focusing on. So for example, Jen just looked this up. Inside month 1 for the relief kit is, drum roll please, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll.
Thank you. It's too late. This is the late show.
This is the Deep Blue Soothing Blend, not the Touch. So how much does this run for?
$59.
But I am going to get the whole kit for how much, Jen?
$75. This is also
expensive.
A little spendy. So you're going to get all of this for $75. Every single kit is $75. So month 1, month 2, month 3, $75 each month. It's also 60 PV, product value. So product value determines, sometimes if you spend a certain number of PV, you'll get a free oil. So that's what PV is for. So $75, any kit, any pathway, any month, $75 all the time. So you're getting a really good deal. And it allows you to try several different things that doTERRA has and see what you think. So I'm excited to hear what one you guys are excited about. I want to know what you guys are going to try first. Lindsay wants to try the relief kit.
Yes.
I don't know. I just can't decide. I might do the mind and mood. But just a quick explanation. If you have questions about this, please comment because we want to be able to answer them. This program starts October 1st. So you have another 3 weeks before you can do this. But you'll be able to get this on your LRP for next month. And so not only are you saving money on the kit itself, but you're going to get at least 10% back on that. So you're getting points back that you can put towards other cool things. So super exciting. Can't wait.
Hit us up with your questions, comments, and concerns.
What questions you have. And thanks for joining us on The Tonight Show.
The late edition. The late show.
Up at night. What channel was that on?
Oh, Nickelodeon?
I don't know. Anyway.
Nick at Night.
Good night.